Hello, third grade. If you are struggling to log into your Gimkit, this is how you should do it. Please make sure that you first read the instructions and remember what we walked through this morning. So after you click on the link, it will take you to the login page. Now on your class kick, it says first, enter your LSC username with @lsc.k12.in.us for the email. And I gave you an example right below. So when you're on this page, if I was going to log in with Hudson, I'd type in his LSC username, click the @ symbol by clicking Shift and 2, and then type in lsc.k12.in.us. Then you can click Continue. The second step says to enter your first name and last initial. So I'd enter his first name, and then last initial is just the first letter of his last name. And then for the password, everyone is going to type in Raiders with a lowercase s. Then once you click Continue, it will have you get started on the assignment. If you have any more questions, message me on inbox.